Hi, this side Siddharth Mishra, Chief of Operations, Multicam Specialties Private Limited. We are exhibiting here first time at Cosmetic Ingredients Expo, and it's been a phenomenal experience here. The crowd, we have met a bunch of our customers as well. The crowd is very relevant, and we look forward to exhibit next time as well. We are here showcasing our personal care and home care ingredients, basically glycolic acid, which we have been doing for more than a decade, which and some preservatives, which we have been doing as a distribution for Lensex. Day one was also very phenomenal. The crowd was very cheering, very relevant, as but very industry, I like to say very industry relevant footfall is here, and we look forward to exhibit next year as well, and expand in the southern India using the platform provided by Cosmetic Ingredients Homecare Ingredients Expo in the coming years as well.